Jillian's back here after a million years. And today we will be baking a cake that's out of a box because we can't bake by ourselves. We are gonna bake a cake for my parents' anniversary. It's not really their anniversary. Their anniversary is on Sunday. Okay. That's not the right cake pan. Oh, child. Oh, more sweating. So we've got our heart baking pan, baking bowl, bagged because we're Canadian. Girl. Ooh, it's butter pecan, Mom.
Ooh, Dad's favorite.
We made lemon cupcakes yesterday. Ooh, and I'm try not to hate on me, but just like, not really a big lemon type of gal, you know? But when I ate that cupcake, girl, it was divine. That was the best cupcake I've ever made in my whole entire life. My whole entire 13 years of being on this planet. You can't even see this. This is bad cameraman. What's next? 1 cup of water or milk. We use milk. We're proper Canadians, you know? Is this a cup? Yeah, this is a cup. Then we need 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Look at that. Gotta get the vegetable oil because you gotta get your vegetables, you know? Eek. Now we mix. Oh, we forgot the eggs. 3 eggs. 1. That was a terrible crack. Ah! Ah! Stop it. All right, so now we're going to gosh. I've never made a cake that smells like this. Oh my gosh, we need hazmat suits in here. Now we wait. I remember when I lost my marbles. Now we're gonna pour chocolate chips in it. Are you boys ready for this? And girls, whatever gender's watching my videos. I just realized that's going to be the bottom of the cake covered in chocolate.
More chocolate. We just are trying to get this dog smell out of the place, you know?
Now it smells like chocolate. That is much better. Hi. So, 24 minutes. That's a lot. So, I will be back in 24 minutes to check up on the cake. Friends.
Are you off the toilet?
So, Mom, I'm making the video. We have 2 minutes left. Sorry. Ow! Oh, my butt. We are going to sift powdered sugar, but little do all we know, this ain't powdered sugar. So, this powdered sugar is meant for cupcakes, but I make my own rules. Got powdered sugar all over myself. So, we will put powdered sugar on, and then we'll first ice the whole cake, chocolate icing, put powdered sugar on, then get a piping bag and a special tip thing, and put some vanilla icing and little clumps, and then sprinkle rainbow sprinkles on the white little clumps for my mom's anniversary and my dad's anniversary. For my mom's anniversary. My mom has her own anniversary. It's called her birthday. So yeah, my dudes, we have a few seconds left, so I was just thinking, start the video now. And then we have a cutting board to, why do we have a cutting board? To place the cake on, so then we can start icing it. But we have to let the cake cool, before we start doing all that. I'm just gonna show you the cake when it gets out of the oven, you know? Yep, so close, 20 seconds. Oh, 4, 3, 2, 1! That's gonna be screamingly loud. Alright, my dudes, let's take the cake out and see if it's ready. It's jiggly. You know what that means? It's not ready. Let's see. As you can see, the whole toothpick is coated in batter. So that gives me a hint to pop it back in the oven for 5 more minutes. So 5 more minutes. Don't be so disrespectful. So we are making our cake right here. Give me a second. We have to flip it over. Oh God! As you guys can see, my cake didn't really work out. It's burnt. And inside is just... I am so sorry for this. You do not understand how frustrated I am with myself right now. I'm never baking again. That did not go as planned. So I can't breathe. I can't right now. I'll see you guys next time on Jillian's World. See you guys on the flip side.